In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn Portuguese in Memrise. To get started, begin by signing up for Memrise using your email or by connecting through Facebook or Google. Once you have your account, browse the available Portuguese courses and select one that fits your level, whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills. Memrise employs spaced repetition and interactive exercises to help reinforce your learning. As you progress, you'll encounter vocabulary, phrases, and audio clips that enhance your pronunciation. Consistency is crucial, so set aside a few minutes each day to practice. Memrise will remind you to review words and phrases you've learned, which boosts retention. To make learning even more convenient, download the Memrise app for learning on the go. The app allows for offline study, making it easier to fit your practice into a busy schedule. Engaging with other learners in the Memrise community forums can also be beneficial. Sharing experiences and tips can motivate you and enhance your learning experience. While Memrise is excellent for building vocabulary, consider supplementing it with other resources such as language exchange partners, podcasts, or movies to improve your speaking and listening skills. By following these steps, you can effectively learn Portuguese using Memrise and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.